This video is about main steps to design a segmentation. These steps are data audit, exploratory data analysis, segmentation, and action plan definition. The first step, data audit, is required to check if the data is adequate for segmentation purpose in terms of size, quality, and available information. The next step, exploratory data analysis, is very important. It helps you to better understand the main characteristics of your dataset. During the EDA, you should figure out which variables you are going to use in the segmentation. It is also a good idea to use your industry knowledge and to ask the client for some key business indicators that would make sense. For example, if you do segmentation of clients in the automotive industry, typical variables might be number of cars, model, age of the current car, mileage, and so on. This will also help you to make sure that your segmentation makes sense and that the variables used are the most discriminant ones for a given sector and context. Sometimes it is also a good idea to work on subgroups instead of working on the entire population, to get the optimal separation driven by the sector and the context. EDA stage can help you with this too. The segmentation process will be covered in the next section. In brief, this step includes building the model to create subsets. After segmentation, it is very important to validate the results with the team and the client, and to calculate key indicators about each segment to prove the quality of it. This allows you to create identity cards for the segments with qualitative description of each. In order to have a strong action plan, it is very important that you are able to define and distinguish the segments. The rules shouldn't be too complicated and should make sense for the business point of view. If it's easy to describe the segment, then it's easy to automatically assign new customers to the groups. The final, but possibly the most important part, is development of the action plan. Strategy definition is usually the end goal of all segmentation projects. This is the part that creates value for the client. This process will be described in detail at the end of this course.